very strong emotional connect with Seva Bharati for two reasons. Number one, Mr. Vishnu Kumar, before being the man who spearheaded Seva Bharati in Delhi, was the Mahanagar Pracharak of Kanpur. He had inspired me to run a RSS Shakha even in the medical college, right from the first year, which I did continuously for almost 9 years till I finished my post-graduation there. The second reason for my emotional connect with Seva Bharati is because of the fact that when I was blessed by God to dream about a polio-free India and a polio-free Delhi, and we conceived and planned the first pulse polio immunization in Delhi on 2nd of October 1994, and that success of October 94, which I attribute a lot to the society and of course the organizations, and more particularly to our Swayamsevaks and Rotary volunteers, resulted in such a success that the whole program became a national program in 95, and it became a program of the Southeast Asia in 96, and since then till the time India was declared a polio free nation in 2014, certified by WHO, I know that Swayamsevaks all over the country and Seva Bharati in the slum areas has contributed immensely to the success of making India a polio-free nation. I am myself into the 52nd year of my association with RSS. One state in India where we have the best and the strongest presence of RSS, that is Kerala. Our Karyakartas and Swayamsevaks, the way they are handled and they are attacked and insulted, but in spite of that, you never dilute the path for which we have been given the greatest inspiration and values from our parent organization Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh. Whenever there has been a disaster in Kerala, whether it was due to cyclones or whether it was due to severe floods, where the losses have been incredible. In every national calamity, we have seen that Seva Bharati has been contributing financially also and helping the society personally also, even in those difficult terrains. I know that over 2,000 children are already being helped through these Bal Balika Kendras, and then the old age homes, homes for the mentally challenged people, for the Divyangs. Government can create millions of houses, but for a voluntary organization like Seva Bharati to create a rural housing scheme and then provide 1,000 houses to the poor people, it speaks volumes about your commitment. There are so many activities, it's very difficult to enumerate each one of them, but hats off to Kerala Swayamsevaks and Seva Bharati. You are showing the way to the rest of the country also.